Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to save iMessage voice message. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up the messaging app. Now go ahead and find the contact where the audio or voice message is located. Okay, so for example, this one right here. As you can see, I have received this voice message. So what I'm going to do is just tap on it. And then once done, you can listen to it by tapping on play. But most importantly, you can tap on the save button at the bottom left. Just tap on it. Now go to scroll all the way down and find save to files. Okay, so just tap on it. Now go ahead and save it in your downloads folder or create a new folder right here. I'm just going to go ahead and select downloads. And then I'm going to tap on saved at the very top. Save. And once that's done, just tap on the done button at the top right. Now go ahead and check on your files application right here. Just tap on it. So as you can see here, we are under the downloads tab. You can just basically tap on recents right here. As you can see, we have the audio message right here. And it was saved under my iCloud drive. And that is how you save iMessage voice message. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.